buddy? It's Mountain Mike, out on the mountain. Thanks for joining in, checking, see what's going on today. Well, today I finally got my blades in, and we got good enough weather to cut. Now, we had rain all day yesterday. I've been under the weather for a couple weeks now. My good buddy passed away. We have the holidays. I've had all sorts of stuff holding me up, but finally, I'm ready to work. So I made all my adjustments for today. Everything was out of whack for sure, but that's alright. I got me a couple logs up here ready to cut. I got my blade on now. She's all greased up and ready to go. Let's see what she'll do now. So the top of this cedar is kind of oblong because of the knots. I want to get as wide a board as I can. So I want to turn that oval part. Alright, so we measured 12 inches. We're going to raise this up to 11. I've been dying to make some slabs, and that is good looking. So I got me 4 slabs out of that log, 2 inches thick. There's 2 more up there on the mill. Let's see what these look like. I haven't looked at them yet. Yes, sir. That one was good and knotty. So my saw head was dropping when I first started sawing today, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. The only thing I can think of is that I'm using too much oil. When they say oil your tensioning cable, I'm using too much oil there, and it's not able to have the correct amount of tension there. They say 1 drop of oil, and I'm definitely using more than that. So maybe I need to pay more attention to that detail. We'll figure it out. So at this point I have it tightened up all the way and it's holding. It's just hard to crank up. And I have a feeling that's going to cause more wear on the tensioning cable than I would like. So I need to get that resolved, but when they say 1 drop of oil, I think more is better. So I'm going to go ahead and stack these up on the tractor and see if I can't get a few more boards today. I've spent most of the day jacking with the mill, getting things retensioned and just learning about it. It's always an adventure when you get something new and you think you got it figured out, and then you play with it some more and it gives you a little bit of headaches. But I think we're doing pretty good. These slabs look real nice. I don't know that they're perfect, but for what I'm probably going to do with them, this is just fine. So real happy with that. So let's see if we can cut some more. getting somewhere. I'm getting to saw some logs. I feel like a true sawyer now. It's a great experience making sawdust, isn't it? Anyway, I gotta finish making me some stickers so I can finish cutting these logs. We'll check back in when we get it all done. But for today, I'm Mountain Mike, out on the mountain. Till next time.